Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change ringtone on Android to a song. Changing your ringtone to a song on Android is simple. Here's how you can do it. First, using default settings. Make sure the song is saved on your phone. MP3 format is the best. You can download it or transfer it via USB. Now, let us begin by going to Settings, Sound or Sound and Vibration. Tap Ringtone or Phone Ringtone. Scroll to the bottom and choose Add Ringtone or plus button on the top right. The option may vary. Browse your storage and choose the song you want. Tap Done to confirm your selection. The song will now play as your ringtone. Next, using the phone app. Open phone app, then go to the contact section and choose a contact you want to assign the ringtone to. Tap the eye icon. Tap the More options, then choose Change Ringtone. Choose ringtone. Browse and choose the song from your device. Now, your favorite song can play whenever someone calls you. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.